Are you ready to tell your story?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sit all the way up.
Once upon a time, there was a log.
Okay.
And the man took your eyes, nose, mouth, cut it out,
Mm-hmm.
and then just take your picture on the
Okay. So what happened then? After he did all those things.
And that man put on the log,
Mm-hmm.
looked, said, no, not great.
Looked and said what?
No, not great.
Oh.
And then he wanted to be Longman,
Mm-hmm.
but he had to dress up like a log.
Mm-hmm.
So he put on a suit.
Mm-hmm.
He got his staff, put it in his pocket, and go out. And he saw Longman. He wished he was a real superhero.
Mm-hmm.
What? Nobody recognized him. So he turned out to be Longman's friend.
Oh. What?
Go walking in the forest.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Log, come here.
Mm-hmm.
I need to ask you a question. Can I be your friend? And he said, guess what he said?
He said yes.
Right?
Because superheroes always need friends. So when is the exciting part?
At the end,
Oh, okay.
this is a really short story.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay.
The exciting part.
Okay.
Walking through the forest. Walking through the forest, and they found a new
A what?
cave. A new Harvey cave.
Oh.
Harvey means dark.
Oh.
We walked in.
They walked into the dark cave?
And it was gross. Slimy. Roar!
What was that?
Blue eye, one trunk, and sharp teeth.
Oh no.
Was a bear.
Oh no.
But Longman was not afraid, but the man was afraid.
Uh-huh.
But he still was glaring at him. He was afraid, but he would fight. Longman was not afraid.
Mm-hmm.
Longman wasn't even afraid to wake him up. It was Longman's. It was all Longman's fault to wake him up.
Huh? To wake up the bear?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right to his log shelf.
He hid inside his log shell.
But the bear, he eat log. But one, he reached up to me. Something cut his hand.
Oh
Longman reached to his log. Pulled it out and swung it.
no. Oh, at the bear?
Flew back.
And the bear fell back asleep? Wow. Must be a magic staff. Is that the end of the story?
Nope.
Oh.
The exciting part. That wasn't the exciting.
That was pretty exciting.
I know, but that wasn't fun at all. That wasn't fun at all. He just fell asleep.
Oh.
That was just magic, not really fighting.
Oh, I see.
Magic,
Uh-huh.
not really fighting.
Mm-hmm.
A sword.
Oh my goodness.
With a jewel on it.
Oh.
The king of the law.
The king of the logs? Cool.
He held and he beckoned him. Into another cave. And he got up and then he jumped up and faster and fast as he could. He ran out of the bear. He walking along the forest in the cave.
Mm-hmm.